Let's add some titles in Davinci Resolve 19. Go to Effects Library, select Toolbox, and then click on Titles. And just like with transitions, you can preview each by running your mouse across each one. And with the Fusion titles, you can see the different animations there are. Let's use Simple Underline Lower Third. Take that title and move it to the Timeline Viewer overlays, and choose the Place on Top edit, and it will be on top of where the playhead is. Hide the effects library to have more room. Go to Detail Zoom, and trim the title to the end of the clip. To adjust the title, go to Inspector. In the text box, write your text, and you can customize the text as well. Go to Font menu. Scroll through the list of fonts, and get a preview of what each font looks like. I will leave everything to Open Sans, but I will choose Extra Bold. You can customize the text further, including the size, and the tracking, which is the space in between the letters. Bringing the letters closer together makes them easier to read. Below that, you have the controls for the line as well. For that blue line under the text, you can increase or decrease the line thickness depending on your style. You can also change the line color, either from the color wheel or by changing the saturation of each color. You can increase the red and the green and decrease the blue. So you change the line color to a dark orange yellow. You can also customize the gradient across the line. Let's change the type from solid color to horizontal. And now I get a second color box which I can customize by making it more of a purple color. I will increase the red and lower the green, and the blue around the middle. I can use this as a basis for the rest of the titles throughout the clip. All I will do is copy and paste the title into different locations. Let's go to Full Extent Zoom, select the title, and then I can actually choose to copy the title. Go to Edit and select Copy. Or you can use the shortcut, Command or Control, and press C. And I will go to the following clip. And here I will choose to paste it. The shortcut is Command or Control plus V, and Resolve will paste directly into the track that I have copied from. I will trim that back to the end of the shot, and you can change the title. To play the clip back to the client, move the playhead to the beginning of the timeline. Go to Workspace, choose Viewer Mode, and select Cinema Viewer. This will give me a full screen playback for my entire edit. Press Escape in order to go back to the interface. Happy editing, and don't forget to subscribe for more video editing tutorials in DaVinci.